mint egg, potato, coconut milk, rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the non-veg recipes and one of the most tastiest of the fried rice recipes and one of the most different of the potato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most elegant of the egg recipes. The ingredients are 1 tomato cut into pieces, 1 onion cut into pieces, around 3 to 4 sprigs of mint leaves, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 1 spoon of coriander seeds, and 6 to 8 corns of pepper, 25 grams of ginger, and 25 grams of garlic, and 1 potato peeled and cut into pieces, and 2 eggs. Now put in the mint leaves into a grinder. Put in the ginger and the black pepper and the coriander seeds and the fennel seeds. Close and grind well. Now we have ground all the mixture together and ground it finely. This can be used to make the dish further. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the ground mint, fennel-coriander mixture. Mix. Thoroughly. Put in the tomato pieces. Mix the tomato pieces with the rest of the mixture. Pour in garlic powder. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Thoroughly mix the salt with the rest of the mixture. Now put in the potato pieces. Mix the potato pieces with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Now pour in 250 ml of coconut milk. Mix thoroughly. and let the mixture cook for 6 to 7 minutes if in a pressure cooker, or 15 to 20 minutes if in an open pan. After cooking for the required amount of time, break in 2 eggs, and let the eggs cook. In the mixture for around 3 to 4 minutes. After cooking for the required amount of time, put in the 1 cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix the rice thoroughly into the mixture. And let the mixture cook for 7 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 15 minutes even in open pan. Now the mint, egg, potato, coconut milk rice is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final mint, egg, potato, coconut milk rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the non-veg recipes, and one of the most unique of the egg recipes, and one of the most tastiest of the potato recipes, and one of the most different of the rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.